Welcome back to the channel. In this quick tutorial, you will learn how to convert miles per hour to meters per second in the easiest way possible. So let's get started. This conversion because 1 mile equal to 1609.344 meters and in 1 hour there are 3600 seconds. So when you divide 1609.344 by 3600 you got 0.44704 miles second, which is the conversion factor. So to convert miles per hour to miles per seconds, we simply need one important fact. 1 mile per hour is equal to 0.44704 meters per second. This means every time you want to convert a speed from miles per hour to miles per second, just multiply it by 0.44704. And that's it, just one simple multiplications. If a car is moving at 50 miles per hour, so then 50 into 0.44704 equal to 2.352 meters per second. So my 50 miles per hour becomes 22.352 miles per second. So that's for all the today's simple and easy conversion. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe and share with your other friends who might need it. Thanks for watching and see you in the next tutorial. For example, there is a 1 mile and in the 1 mile 1609.344 meters in 1 mile.